You need a couple NPN transistors. You need a couple NPN transistors, a 9-volt battery, maybe some resistors, some wire, and a nice copper wire with maybe a copper plate on it that's the highest grade copper you can get, and some LEDs, and some rocks. You can test rocks for their radioactivity. As you can see, the further I get away from the rocks, the dimmer the light gets. But like, if we move in to the rock, as you notice, it gets brighter. There's two things that can occur there. You can get ionic radiation that's condensed from the air, which is just normal electromagnetic radiation, or the rocks themselves could be nuclear radioactive. So like, that rock appears to have a bit of energy in it. Move it away, it gets dimmer. And if we go even further, it gets pretty dim. As you can see, the little blue light, the little white blue light. Then we move it, it's pretty dim. We put it over the rock, it brightens up significantly. Just the one LED there, and that means it may have radioactive elements in it. It's also flashing, so potentially it has radioactive elements. So that's probably radioactive. Rocks contain radioactive elements, so I mean, as you can see, the wire, it does pick up a little bit higher energy. So we move it away. The air radiation is much dimmer, as you can see, and that means it's not as concentrated. But on the rock, it could be more concentrated. Otherwise, we're picking up positive nuclear radiation. This is a flintstone and a calcium rock. It may have phosphorus in it as well, I don't know. As you can see, this rock appears to be moving away. It gets dimmer. We move it closer, it concentrates. Okay, so these are possibly radioactive. Yeah, so that's what it is. Yeah, either concentration of weaker light or nuclear radioactive particles. Okay, so that's how you do radiation tests. You probably could get something more sensitive. Probably also use an Arduino and do multiple tests with it. Like if I put this up to my body, it's that bright. So let's put it up to the rock. much brighter at the rock. This is a sign of concentration. So, that's pretty much it for radiation.